Again, this is Virgie. Today, I'm super excited to show you around Crisella Valley, a place where modern living meets the beauty of the nature. Come on, let's explore. Check this out. Wide, open spaces, clean air, and scenic views everywhere. Does it feel like the perfect escape from the busy city life? Now let me show you one of the homes here. It is spacious, modern, and designed with families in mind. Just imagine how cozy this would be. The homes here are thoughtfully designed with stylish interiors, plenty of natural light, and enough spaces to grow with your family. And don't forget the amenities. Crisella Estate has a clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging trails, and parks where you can unwind and spend quality time with your loved ones. What I love most about Crisella is how it's more than just a community. It's a lifestyle. Whether you're starting a family, retiring, or just looking for a serene home, this place has it all. So if you're looking for a home that blends nature, comfort, and modern living, Crisella Estate Valley might just be the one for you. So if you're looking for a home where sustainability, accessibility, and convenience come together, Crisella Estate Valley is a perfect place for you. Reach out to learn more or schedule a site viewing today. You have to see it to believe it. Again, thank you for joining me today. See you next time. Bye!